bong, it's Sharon calling. Hi guys, it's Sharon here. I just wanted to say good luck in Windmill Windup, where you're currently playing Ultimate Frisbee. I hope that you win all of your games, or at least most of them. If you're wondering why I'm wearing this outfit, it's because I'm training at the moment for a triathlon. So I'm just gonna listen to my pump up music. Excuse me. That's enough of that. Yeah, that's quite good. I feel pumped up now. I think I'm gonna do my training. It's a bit tricky. You can't really ride a bike or swim or run. Don't worry about it. Excuse me.